Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can log into Snapchat without verification code. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to log in into your own account with the help of your same smartphone that you are using previously to log in into your Snapchat. So this is the first method. You simply need to use your old smartphone or your mobile that you are using previously to log in into your account. But if you change your smartphone, you simply need to go back and go into the email, and you simply need to write email to the Snapchat support that I changed my smartphone and I am unable to receive my code, so help me log in into my account. So then the Snapchat team will contact you and help you in this regard. And the third method is you simply need to go into the settings, and then you need to go into the app management and go into the app list and search for the Snapchat. Okay, and then you need to click on storage and cache, and the first step you need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage, and then you need to allow all permissions. Once you done that, your issue will be resolved. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.